Of academia and former students of Fallen University of Nairobi Don Professor Duncan Okoth Okombo are today mourning following his death Wednesday night. Okombo, a renowned figure in the fields of linguistics, communications and sign language, passed on while undergoing treatment at a hospital here in Nairobi.
The University of Nairobi fraternity is among institutions, friends and members of the public that will forever miss the services of Professor Duncan Okoth Okombo, who died while undergoing treatment at the Aga Khan Hospital, Nairobi.
If I was on the moon, the only important thing would be that I'm from Earth. That would be the only important thing about me.
Okombo was a towering figure not only in languages and communication, but also in matters politics and law, among other pertinent societal issues across Africa.
You can be as national or as nationalistic as you like until the day you graduate and you see your classmate getting a plum job and you cannot relate it to their CV.
Okay.
Right? You can't relate it to their CV. And now you're forced to think again, is there something I forgot?
Okoth Okombo was born in 1950 in Rusinga Island, Homa Bay County, then schooling in, among other institutions, Mbita High School. He proceeded to the University of Nairobi, where he graduated with a first-class degree in linguistics in 1977. Okombo holds a master's and a PhD in linguistics and communication. Okombo was a prolific author and researcher, and at the time of his death, he was the Dean, School of Social Sciences and External Studies at the University of Nairobi, as well as founder-director, Kenya Sign Language Research Project. Mark Namaswa, KTN News.